Based on the 8th generation of the E-sedan, the 2019 Camry in European specification has a much more interesting design inside and out compared to the defunct Avensis. On the old continent, it's going to be offered exclusively with a hybrid powertrain featuring an electrified 2.5-liter engine producing a more than decent 215 horsepower. Being a naturally aspirated engine, torque isn't that great, at 163 pound-feet, 221 Newton-meters, but it should be adequate for people looking for a no-frills sedan. The 0 to 62 mph, 100 kph task will take 8.3 seconds en route to a top speed of 112 mph, 180 kph, but the car is not about performance. The Camry Hybrid aims to be one of the most fuel-efficient models in its class, sipping just 4.2 liters/100 kilometers on average and emitting only 98 grams per kilometer of CO2. Originally introduced last year, the newest Camry rides on the company's Toyota New Global Architecture (TNGA) platform shared with the latest Corolla, Prius, CHR, and RAV4. This particular version of the Camry has been tweaked to better cater European tastes and help the model maintain its top spot worldwide in the DE segment sedan with more than 700,000 units sold each year. Toyota has delivered more than 19 million examples since the Camry's launch in the late 1970s/early 1980s. There's not much to say about styling since it mimics that of the North American model inside and out. The Camry Hybrid for Europe has a pretty decent 524-liter trunk that should prove to be enough for most families, although many of its rivals are also offered as wagons for those with more luggage to carry around during longer trips. Following its public debut this week at the Paris Motor Show, the 2019 Toyota Camry Hybrid will go on sale in Western Europe in the first quarter of next year.